Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.rcbconlinebanking.com and hit enter. After the login page of the RCBC opens up on your screen, scroll down and find the sign up now option, which will be located on the left hand side of your screen, and click on it. After you click on the sign up now button, you will be guided to another page. In this page, click on the get started option, which is located on the left side of your screen. Once you click on the get started option, you will be further guided to another page. In this page, click on this let's get started option. After you click on the let's get started option, you'll be again further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to tick on this option and click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, you'll be guided to step 2. In this step, you'll again have to tick on this and click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll be further guided to step 3. In this step, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your mobile number here, your email address here, and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to step 4, which will help you to sign up to the RCBC online banking web page. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the RCBC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.